GaN amplifiers will in future replace our MOSFET amplifier. This is a MOSFET amplifier board. It is IRF 240-9240, IRFP 240 and IRFP 9240. So not only this MOSFET, it will be replacing all the MOSFET application in almost all the electronics application industry. And if you don't know what is GaN transistor, it is gallium nitride transistor. Also, you know what MOSFET is. It is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So gallium nitride, we call its chemical name GaN, and GaN transistor will soon replace all these MOSFET amplifiers. And you know why? Because of higher efficiency than MOSFET, higher switching frequency, better thermal performance, smaller size, also lower heat generation, improved audio quality. And I will post a link about GaN. You can read more about GaN from there. And in case of higher efficiency, GaN transistors have lower on resistance and faster switching speeds than silicon MOSFETs. It acts exactly like a class D amplifier, we can say, less power consumption and higher performance, leading to high efficiency. And next, about higher switching frequency, MOSFETs can't handle such a high frequency that GaN can handle. GaN can operate in almost at much higher frequency level, and also for that it allows smaller and light components like inductors and capacitors to make that amplifier perform like that. Because of their less heat generation, we usually mistake them as a class D chip. They generate less heat, so we don't need such a heat sink, such a large heat sink. And also we don't need any cooling system, extra cooling system for that amplifier. Thinking about the audio quality, GaN amplifiers have lower losses than a class D amplifier at higher switching speeds, and by that it will result in better audio fidelity and more accurate sound reproduction, particularly in high-end audio applications. After, MOSFETs will still remain as a cost-effective solution as compared with the GaN amplifier. We here don't have such a circuit that we can design using a GaN transistor. So as I told you before, it is just evolving slowly and getting matured to replace MOSFETs. It will not replace MOSFETs completely, but it can be compared with a MOSFET or class D high-end amplifiers than a transistor amplifier in future.